Hey everybody, AI for Success Unlocked here. This is going to blow your mind. Today we're diving into a topic that's been on everyone's mind lately, artificial intelligence. Now I know AI can sound like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but trust me, it's very real and it's here to stay. From your smartphone to your car, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. And if you're not paying attention, you might just get left behind. So let's break it down and see what all the fuss is about. And let me tell you, we've got a lot to unpack today because the world of AI is absolutely exploding right now. It's not just about robots taking over the world or self-driving cars anymore. We're talking about AI in healthcare, AI in finance, AI in education. The list goes on and on. The advancements are coming at us fast and furious, and it's almost impossible to keep up with everything. But don't worry, that's what I'm here for. We're going to break it all down and make sense of it together. Seriously, it seems like every time I refresh my feed, there's some groundbreaking new AI tool dropping. Whether it's a new app that promises to make your life easier or a new piece of software that's going to revolutionize an industry, there's always something new and exciting happening. And it's not just the big tech companies that are getting in on the action. Startups and independent developers are also making waves with their innovative AI solutions. It's a really exciting time to be involved in the tech world. We're talking AI for design, for automation, for content creation. You name it, there's an AI for that. Imagine being able to create stunning visuals with just a few clicks, or having a robot handle all the mundane tasks in your business. The possibilities are endless, and the technology is only getting better. AI is not just a buzzword anymore. It's a tool that's being used in real-world applications to solve real-world problems. And the best part? It's becoming more accessible to everyone, not just the tech-savvy. And the craziest part? This stuff is evolving at warp speed. What was cutting-edge technology just a few months ago is now considered old news. The pace of innovation is staggering, and it's only going to get faster. We're living in a time where the impossible is becoming possible, and it's all thanks to AI. So, if you're not already on board, now is the time to get with the program. The future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. What was considered cutting-edge last month might already be old news. It's a constant race to stay ahead, and those who can't keep up are going to be left behind. But that's the beauty of technology. It's always pushing us to be better, to innovate, to think outside the box. And AI is at the forefront of this revolution. It's changing the way we live, work, and play. And it's only going to get more advanced from here. So let's dive in and see what's new in the world of AI. So in this video, we're diving deep into the latest and greatest AI tools out there. We're going to look at what's hot, what's not, and everything in between. From AI-powered design software to automation tools that can save you hours of work, there's something for everyone. And we're not just going to look at the flashy features, we're going to dig into the nitty-gritty details to see if these tools are really worth your time and money. Because at the end of the day, it's all about finding the right tools that can help you achieve your goals. We're talking features, pricing, and most importantly, whether these tools are actually worth your time. It's easy to get caught up in the hype and spend a lot of money on the latest and greatest tech, but not every tool is going to be a game changer. Some might be overpriced, some might be overhyped, and some might just not be a good fit for your needs. That's why it's important to do your research and make informed decisions. And that's exactly what we're going to help you do in this video, because let's be real, not every shiny new tech lives up to the hype. We've all been there. You buy a new gadget or piece of software only to find out that it's not as great as you thought it would be. It's frustrating, it's disappointing, and it's a waste of money. But that's the risk you take when you're an early adopter. The good news is, we're here to help you avoid those pitfalls. We're going to give you the lowdown on what's worth your time and what's not, so you can make the best decisions for your needs. But some of these AI tools, they have the potential to completely change the game. Whether you're a creator, a business owner, or just someone who wants to stay ahead of the curve. Imagine being able to automate your entire workflow or create stunning content with just a few clicks. The possibilities are endless and the technology is only getting better. So if you're ready to take your game to the next level, you're in the right place. We're going to show you the tools that can help you do just that. So buckle up, because things are about to get interesting. We're going to take you on a journey through the world of AI. And by the end of it, you'll have a better understanding of what this technology can do and how it can benefit you. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a business owner, or just someone who's curious about the future, there's something in this video for you. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the exciting world of artificial intelligence. Now, one of the most exciting areas where AI is making waves is video. The world of video production has always been a complex and labor-intensive field, requiring a blend of creativity, technical skill, and often a significant budget. But with the advent of AI, this landscape is rapidly changing. AI is not just a tool, it's a revolution that is democratizing video creation, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise or financial resources. And trust me, this isn't just about adding some fancy filters or effects. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how videos are created, edited, and even conceptualized. AI-powered tools are capable of understanding the content of a video, identifying key elements, and making intelligent decisions about how to enhance and present that content. This goes far beyond what traditional video editing software can do. We're talking about AI that can analyze, edit, and even generate entire videos all on its own. Imagine an AI that can take raw footage, understand the narrative you want to tell, and then automatically edit the video to highlight the most important moments, add transitions, and even suggest music and sound effects that match the mood of the video. This level of automation is not just a time saver, it's a game changer for content creators. Think about that for a second. Imagine being able to create professional quality videos without needing a film crew, expensive software, or even years of editing experience. This is particularly empowering for solo creators and small businesses who may not have the resources to hire a full production team. With AI, the barriers to entry are significantly lowered, allowing more people to share their stories and ideas through high-quality video content. That's the kind of power AI is bringing to the table. It's not just about making video production easier, it's about making it more accessible and inclusive. AI tools are designed to be user-friendly, often featuring intuitive interfaces that guide users through the editing process. This means that even those with little to no experience in video editing can produce professional-looking videos with ease. And for creators like you and me, this is a game changer. It means we can focus on what we do best, telling stories, sharing our ideas, and connecting with our audiences, while the AI handles the technical heavy lifting. This shift allows us to spend more time on the creative aspects of video production, such as scripting, storyboarding, and engaging with our audience, rather than getting bogged down in the technical details of editing. It means we can focus on what we do best, telling stories, sharing our ideas, and connecting with our audiences, while the AI handles the technical heavy lifting. This is particularly important in today's fast-paced digital world, where content creators are often expected to produce a high volume of content quickly. AI can help streamline the production process, allowing creators to keep up with the demands of their audience without sacrificing quality. So whether you're a seasoned YouTuber, a social media guru, or just starting out on your video creation journey, get ready, because the AI video revolution is here. This revolution is not just about technology. It's about empowering creators to bring their visions to life in ways that were previously unimaginable. With AI, the possibilities are endless, and the future of video production is brighter than ever. So, embrace the change, explore the tools available, and start creating. The AI video revolution is just beginning, and you have the opportunity to be at the forefront of this exciting new era. All right, folks, meet our first contender in the AI video tool arena, and it's one that might just change the game for everyone. In a world where software often comes with hefty price tags and subscription fees, this tool stands out as a beacon of accessibility and innovation. Name of AI tool #1. Now, this one's a bit different right off the bat because it's completely free and open source. Imagine having a powerful tool at your fingertips without having to worry about monthly payments or annual fees. It's like finding a hidden gem in a sea of costly alternatives. That means you can download and use it without spending a dime. And you even have the freedom to tinker with the code and customize it to your heart's content. For those of you who love to get under the hood and tweak things to perfection, this is a dream come true. You can modify the software to fit your specific needs, add new features, or even improve existing ones. Talk about a breath of fresh air in a world of subscription-based software. It's like stepping into a new realm where creativity and innovation are not hindered by financial constraints. Imagine the possibilities when you have the freedom to experiment and create without any limitations, but don't let the free tag fool you. Name of AI tool #1 is packed with powerful features that rival, and in some cases even surpass, its paid counterparts. It's not just a basic tool, it's a robust platform designed to meet the needs of both beginners and professionals alike. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to create stunning videos or a professional seeking advanced editing capabilities, this tool has got you covered. We're talking about AI-powered video editing, object tracking, motion stabilization, and a host of other advanced features that make video editing a breeze. The AI algorithms are designed to understand and predict your editing needs, making the process faster and more efficient. You can focus on your creative vision while the software handles the technical details, and a whole lot more. From color correction to audio enhancement, the range of tools available is truly impressive. It's like having a professional editing suite right on your desktop without the associated costs. The intuitive interface ensures that even those new to video editing can quickly get up to speed and start creating high-quality content. So how does a free, open-source tool stack up against the big dogs in the AI video space? Let's find out. We'll dive deep into its features, performance, and user experience to see if it truly holds its own. Stay tuned as we explore the ins and outs of Name of AI Tool #1 and discover whether it can compete with the industry's leading software. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting out, this tool promises to offer something for everyone. Let's embark on this journey together and see what makes Name of AI Tool #1 a potential game changer in the world of AI video editing. Alright, so we've seen what AI tool #1 can do on paper, but now it's time to really put it to the test. We're talking about complex motion, the kind of stuff that used to require expensive motion capture rigs and hours of painstaking animation. Think about a basketball player going for a slam dunk, capturing every muscle twitch, the spin of the ball, the net swaying, or imagine a dancer's fluid movements, perfectly recreated in digital form. This is where things get really interesting, because if AI tool #1 can nail complex motion, it could be a game changer for indie filmmakers, game developers, you name it. So let's crank up the difficulty and see what this tool can really do. We're going to throw some seriously challenging scenarios at it and see if it can keep up. So, AI tool #1 definitely impressed us with its ability to handle complex motion, but now it's time to introduce a new contender, AI tool #2. And let me tell you, this one's coming in hot with a reputation for stunning realism. We're talking about next-level textures, lighting, and details that can trick your eyes into thinking you're looking at the real deal. This isn't just about smooth motion, it's about creating a believable, immersive experience. Think about the subtle way light reflects off a marble statue, or the way fabric drapes over a human form. These are the kinds of details that can elevate a digital creation from good to mind-blowing. And that's what we're here to find out. Can AI tool #2 deliver on its promise of hyperrealism? Let's dive in and take a closer look. Alright, so we've spent some quality time with both AI tool #1 and AI tool #2, and I've got to say they're both incredibly impressive in their own right. But now it's time to answer the big question. Which one comes out on top? It's the battle of the titans, the ultimate face-off between complex motion and stunning realism. Which one deserves a spot in your creative toolkit? Well, as always, the answer is, it depends. It all comes down to your specific needs and priorities. So let's break down the strengths and weaknesses of each tool to help you decide which one is right for you. Okay, so we've seen some pretty impressive AI tools so far, right? Tools that can generate video, tools that can create realistic simulations. But let's talk about something that might actually save you hours of work automation. And no, I'm not just talking about automating your email responses, although this AI tool can probably do that too. I'm talking about automating tasks within the creative process itself. Think about things like resizing your videos for different platforms, automatically adding subtitles, or even color grading your footage based on presets. This tool does all of that and more. Alright, so we've talked about AI tools that can help you edit videos, automate tasks, but what about actually creating something entirely new? That's where this next AI tool comes in. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI-generated content, isn't that just a bunch of deepfakes and weird, uncanny valley stuff? And yeah, there's definitely some of that out there. All right, so we're talking about AI tool number 4, this crazy creative AI that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But let's dive into something specific. Transitions, those things that connect one shot to the next. Usually they're pretty standard, a cut, a fade, maybe a cross dissolve if you're feeling fancy. But this AI tool takes transitions to a whole other level. We're talking about seamless blends between completely different scenes, morphing objects, reality bending effects, the kind of stuff that would normally take a team of VFX artists days, if not weeks, to create. And this AI does it in seconds. Okay, so we've seen AI tool number 4 can generate some seriously impressive visuals, especially with those transitions, but things are about to get a little weird. And by weird, I mean really good, like eerily good. We're talking about the kind of good that makes you question what's real and what's not. This is where AI tool number 4 gets really interesting and potentially controversial. It has this feature, and I'm not even sure what to call it, but it essentially manipulates existing footage in a way that's, well, it's almost like deep fake territory, but for entire scenes. Imagine taking a scene from a movie and completely changing the background, the weather, even the time of day, all while maintaining the original actors and their performances. All right, let's shift gears a bit and talk about something that's essential to pretty much every video out there. Audio, specifically AI-generated voices. We've all heard them, those robotic, monotone voices that just scream, "I'm not a real person." But what if I told you there's an AI voice out there that's so realistic, so natural sounding that it could fool even the most discerning listener? Enter AI tool number 5. All right, we've gone through some seriously impressive AI tools so far, but buckle up because this next one is on another level. We're talking about a true AI playground where the possibilities are practically endless. This isn't just another one-trick pony. This tool is more like a Swiss Army knife of AI features. You want to generate images? Boom. How about realistic three-dimensional models? This thing has you covered. Need to whip up a custom soundtrack for your latest project? Say no more. Okay, we've covered a lot of ground in this video, from AI video generation to voice synthesis and everything in between. And while all of these tools are incredibly impressive in their own right, there's one more thing I want to talk about. This isn't a specific tool or software, but rather a feature, an underlying capability that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with AI. And that feature is context. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of AI tools in 2025. From mind-blowing video generation to AI-powered playgrounds and the game-changing power of context, the future of AI is looking incredibly exciting. And the best part? This is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve at an unprecedented rate, who knows what incredible tools and capabilities await us in the years to come. But one thing's for sure, the future of creativity and innovation is inextricably intertwined with the evolution of AI. So stay curious, stay creative, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.